Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to delete your Twitter account. It is very simple and takes no time at all, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is head over to your Twitter app, and then once you're there, all you want to do is click your profile in the top left corner, and then scroll down to Settings and Privacy. Once you're here, you want to go ahead and select your account, and then select deactivate your account, which is at the very bottom. Once you're at this page, it would tell you that you're about to start the process of deactivating your Twitter account. Your display name, @username, and public profile will no longer be viewable on twitter.com. And what else you should know is that for up to 30 days, you can get your account back. So if you accidentally or wrongfully deactivated it, you can get it back. All you have to do is log back into your account, and you'll get it back within those 30 days. However, if it's after 30 days and you try to log back in, your account will be completely gone as it was completely deleted from the Twitter database. So I hope this video does help you. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year. So if you could you please subscribe? And thank you.